I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solves it. If you're facing payment failures on the PlayStation web, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Sometimes, expired cards or insufficient balance can cause issues. Step 2. Update billing information. Log into your account and update your billing information. Make sure all details match what your bank has on file. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. Step 4. Try a different browser. If the problem persists, switch to a different web browser or device. Sometimes compatibility issues can cause payment failures. Step 5. Contact support. If all else fails, reach out to PlayStation support for assistance. They can help identify any account-specific issues. Remember, payment issues can be frustrating, but with these steps, you should be able to resolve them quickly. Good luck and happy gaming!